Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Free Gems. Another fucking episode. Let's get straight into it. Today's episode is on 5 ways to increase your credit score. If you have bad credit, this is for you. You feel me? If you have bad credit, no credit, and you're looking to increase your credit score, people keep asking me, I have no credit, I have bad credit. I'm looking to start my credit journey. How do I start improving my credit score? So let's jump straight into it. But first, can I get y'all to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button, slap that bitch, do whatever you need to, just hit that motherfucker. But let's get straight into it. So if you have bad credit, let's go to secure route. So make sure that in my other video, I talked about Discover, Capital One. They have pre-approval, so y'all can go straight to them, see what the pre-approval is looking like for you guys. And before all that, make sure you guys are just trying to attack all the negatives. You're disputing, you're getting all those negatives removed. Either you're getting somebody like me to do it, or you're getting the correct letters in the format to do it yourself, So I do have that for you. I do have the do-it-yourself letters here for you, and I can do it for you myself. I have my credit course, cool credit course I just dropped on LOB Academy. So that's going to teach you everything you need to know about cleaning, maintaining, and rebuilding your credit. So yeah, just make sure all the negatives are gone. So then you can start building your credit. So boom, getting the authorized user. I talked about that in my last video. Getting a secure card, a credit card is a must right after that, So when you're starting to build your credit, you want to get a credit card. That's the best way to start building your credit, is to get credit cards, get 2 of them as fast as possible, basically, So usually want to get one and wait at least about 6 months to get the other one. So have 2 credit cards. The first credit card, get a secure credit card, Discover, or try to get an unsecured credit card with Discover or Capital One, or at a local credit union, or from your bank. Those are my, ones for you. Also, another way to build it is by going through the secured route. So get a secured loan through your local credit unions and your local banks. That will get you the short-term loans. So remember, you need 2 or more active credit cards on your account. You need a short-term loan and you need a long-term loan to really give you that depth and give you that real, capability of touching the 700 to 800s and stuff like that and more. Plus, having all the negatives removed and having credit utilization underneath. I like to say at least 9% and down. Even 10% I think is a big difference, but I want to say really 9% down. So boom, getting those loans, unsecured loans, other things like self is a good way to start. That's basically like a secured loan, basically putting money for, having a plan for either 12 months or 24 months. So if you're doing $1,200 for 12 months, you're basically doing $100 payments for a year. So that's a pretty good way. You can do the secure credit card, or you can do the loan with them. That's a good way. Even doing, one of my favorite things is a firm. I like a firm. You can buy something online that you like, and they will, I think they report that to your Experian, So, these are just great ways to improve your credit score. Is you have to have active accounts on your credit card, on your credit report. My fault. But having these active accounts on your credit report, having these credit cards, get you so much depth. If you have an authorized user, that's going to strengthen your credit report even more. So, this is where you begin, with these beginner credit cards, the secure credit cards, the loans, these small loans and stuff like that, and then start to look into doing an auto loan. Even if that auto loan is for if you want to buy a car, if you have the car cash, you might want to think about just, even if you have a $3,000 cash, you might want to just get a loan for it and just finance it, and just have the cash over there in your bank and just pay towards it, just so that you can build your credit. Instead of paying for that car cash, just finance it and just build it, and just pay that little interest, just so you can build your credit history and give you that depth. So, those are my pointers for y'all, Also, it's a credit card called Extra Debit Card. It basically takes all your payments. It's a debit card, credit card, takes all your purchases and basically stores it into basically like, so you end up spending $500 and it basically reports that, so it basically reports your debit card as a credit card in short term and stuff like that. So that's a great way to build your credit. And also it does not pull your credit report or anything like that. So that's a good way to build your credit as well. I hate that I be saying but I'm just trying to make sure I give y'all all the gems. Ooh. Yeah, so those are the best ones. Local credit cards, Capital One, making sure y'all doing the pre-approvals. Make sure that when you're applying for credit cards that you always want to get approved. You always want to be sure that you're going to get approved and stuff like that. You want to make sure that your credit card, your credit report is strong. You want to understand what bill they're going to pull so that you know to look at your TransUnion. When you're looking at Discover, I know that they're going to pull a TransUnion. Even when they're looking at your pre-approval, that's what they're going to be doing a soft pull on, is your TransUnion. So you want to make sure that all that is up to par. You want to have your credit utilization down. You want to make sure that all the negatives are removed as much as possible, or, at least that you have, you're not, if you have a 300 and stuff like that, just go to secure route and stuff like that. Every situation is going to be a little bit different. That's why it's kind of hard for me to tell y'all exactly what's the best credit card for you individually, because I have to know what credit cards you already previously have. So this is just the best way. And, just having credit cards with companies that you already have a relationship with is going to give you even better, results, So that's one of the best ways to go about it. Credit cards, secured loans, period, lines of credit and stuff like that. Start thinking about auto loans once, once you're ready to build your credit, and once your credit is a little bit stronger, you're in the 640s, the 660s, 680s and stuff like that. Start thinking about getting the auto loan, even if you never thought about it. It's one of the best ways to also strengthen your credit report. But this is my gems for today. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And remember, y'all, I just dropped LOB Academy, so I do have my cool credit course. I am doing a credit repair right now. I have the do-it-yourself, so you can do it yourself. That does come with one free consultation. So with that, I'm gonna be able to give you game and strategies and show you the inaccuracies and how to go about it, and what steps you should take within that course and stuff like that, and within that consultation. And also with that, also 50% off consultations after that. Also everything you need with credit cards. So that's gonna give you all the game you ever needed to know about fucking credit cards. So make sure y'all stay in tune. I'm gonna be continually dropping more and more game, more and more videos. Yeah. Let's get into it, Let's get these 700s. Let's get these high credit cards. Let's start it. This might be the beginning, but y'all, telling y'all a year, 2 years, 3 years. I'm telling you, y'all gonna be having 10K credit cards, 15, 20Ks, and y'all gonna understand it was all worth it. We all gotta start from somewhere. I've been here, so this is the beginning. This is how you build your credit. You strengthen your credit from the beginning. All great ways. Don't underestimate local credit unions. Look at all the rates, who has the best rates in your area, who has the most secure loans available, so some might be 20K that they'll do unsecured, some might be 25. Also, that is also important to understand how much of unsecured they're willing to give out to you. But thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. Just make sure y'all keep supporting me. And the best way to support is by hitting that like button, because it helps the algorithm keep my shit up there, get my shit, able to see through other people, the world be able to see, more people be able to see, more gems, more people are able to, get put on with this game. and really seek the benefits and, you know, understand there's tools out here that's going to really help you set, you know, become financially free, more balanced life, have more flexibility within your, you know, your purchases and stuff like that, you know, help you save money, make money at the same time. But till next time, y'all, love.